Why'd you bring this car?
Shut up.
I thought we were gonna cruise in the F80s today. Who even drives this old ass car now? We are out here, guys, out in LA with my boy Kevin, the Lime Rock. I can't believe Kevin still has the Lime Rock, guys. Who remembers the old vlogs? Probably like 5 years ago when I first met Kevin and he had this car and I had my Tiffany blue E92. Our two colors together look like Skittles, bro, I swear. But Kevin still has it. I unfortunately sold my E92 a long time ago. I think probably like 2 years ago. I do miss it. I don't blame Kevin for trying to keep it. And his car is in mint condition still, bro, to this day. He barely drives it. The Lime Rock's super rare, as you guys know. It's actual paint, it's not wrapped. And it's like a super rare E92 M3. Probably one of the rarest E92 M3s. Got the orange on the inside. This thing's pretty sick. I don't blame him for wanting to keep it. Oh my God. And you can't get over the E92 sound either. E92s are forever the best sounding M3s in my opinion. But anyways, we are out here. We got my F80. We're about to meet up with the homie Andy with the AMG. AMG Andy. AMG right there actually. And then Mark with the F80, the yellow F80, David's twin. The only thing is Mark doesn't have his car today because it's under construction before Beamer invasion. I want to show them all the new exhaust. They all have not seen the new exhaust or heard it at all. Alright guys, we made it to the meet and look who's here.
I made it. It's so hot.
It is so hot.
Dying.
I've been in the car for the past like hour waiting for you to get here.
The AC.
It is way too hot. AC. It's funny because the whole car meet's like right here and look, everyone's not even walking around. They're just sitting in the shade because it's too hot.
Way bigger.
Yeah, low key, the meet's not that packed.
Bro, it took me like almost 2 hours.
I was gonna tell you when you were like 10 minutes away, I was like,
not to come and I'm already
I know, but you're already here. Got Gap. Try it, Nico.
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What?
No.
You don't think you could get that? I think we could in the GTR. I'll Gap him.
I'm making like $750.
I'll take his plate.
I'll take his plate too.
Got a Lambo. There's a Technica, I think. SVJ.
What?
The iconic SVJ with the duct tape everywhere. It's so funny. He just does not care at all. At all, bro. This is how my front lip on my F80 is gonna look soon, though. I'm gonna start duct taping mine too. Huracan's clean. Convertible. I'm not a fan of the convertible, but everything else is freaking fire. Look at all the dry carbon. Is that dry? What's it called? Forged carbon.
Forged carbon, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Forged carbon. That's a sick ass interior. Alcantara is all like clean. Looks crazy.
It would look so much better if it wasn't convertible.
Yeah, that's the only thing. But it's still hard though.
Yeah, it's still sick.
Sick V10. Everyone has these sick ass plates, guys. I need to come up with one for the GTR. I got the Quiet M3 plate for the F80, but I just need something for the GTR. I can't think of anything. These ones are so nice, the new GT3s. It's sick. Damn, it's just so sick. And this color is crazy. All pink. Low E30. Sam? I just got the E-brake too.
On the E30?
That shit crazy. M4? This color is fire. Damn, look at all the carbon fiber in there. I gotta do that. I wanna do these little bolts too. Man, that thing's super clean. That color is fire. It's actually paint too. I think Kevin told me it's called Lime Rock Gray or something like that. It's not Nardo. I think I saw this one at a car meet not too long ago. I believe it has a center exit exhaust. Yup, same one. It's just so clean. Well, I think it is like Ferrari red. Yeah, it's definitely individual red. Damn! That shit's so small.
Just for that exhaust?
Yeah, it's only like $8,000-9,000 option.
Fuck that.
Yeah, no.
Oh, shoot! Well, this is the body kit I want to do on my E46, guys. I want to wide body it just like that. That's just for sure on bags. There's no way he has that much gap. 36. That is clean.
Oh, it's a TI.
I'm so sad. Oh, it's like that weird shaped one. Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
Damn, that shit clean.
I just realized that when I was recording, I was like, bro,
Look at a big old turbo. That's fire. Right hand drive too.
Shit, that turbo's big.
Damn. Bro, I want one of these so bad, guys.
Single turbo.
Alright, guys. Well, this meet was pretty cool. We're about to go have some food with all the homies. Damn. Oh, shoot the clutch, homie. That shit's sick. The squad, guys. Nico's the only GTR right now.
I know.
You need to get a BMW for the daily.
Or AMG.
Guys, my car is so loud. I just revved it in this parking structure and every alarm went off. We just got some food. We about to all get in our cars real quick. Kevin's is that one. I can see Kevin in that for sure. I can see me in that for sure. I can see Mark in the stance one. This thing's wild, bro. Damn, big baller's eating out right now. That's literally a race car on the street. That shit hard too, though. Damn. We just made it here to 412, guys. All right, guys, we made it to 412. Don't mind my little lisp. I bit my lip so bad the other day and it hurts, bro. I can't even talk right. It's actually hard for me to vlog because I cannot talk. But anyways, we are here. And guys, I want to show you guys this interior. All right, this guy might watch, he might watch my vlogs, I don't know, but I want to show you guys the interior. Let me know what you guys think. This is really custom stitched, the whole interior on this car. That is crazy. Even the back seats too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Very different. Definitely one of the first BMWs I've seen with this orange interior. Something Kevin would do, huh? They got a new M2 here. The Valtronic exhaust, of course. Best exhaust system on the market if you guys need one. Hit them up. Let them know FindingNick sent you. But I don't know, guys. These cars still haven't grown on me, to be honest. Oh, and it's stick shift. See, that's cool. The stick shift, the big screen is very cool. The technology, these seats are pretty cool too. I like the tricolor, bro. That's crazy. It has the light blue, the dark blue, and the red on the leather. That's hard. The color too, but I don't know, bro. I'm just not the biggest fan of the bumpers at all. I just don't like it. Maybe it'll grow on me with like a body kit and stuff, but as of right now, I don't like it. I'd rather pick the old M2. But look at the lineup here right now, guys. They got Joseph's Corvette, of course. Urus Performante. I gotta show you guys this. Let's see if it's open. No! This car is beautiful, bro. Everything inside here is Alcantara. And this is a crazy spec. It has lime green seat belts, lime green everywhere, and Alcantara everywhere, bro. Carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon everything. And then they got not one, but two F8s. I drove in that one earlier today with Joseph, and this shit's fast, bro. Don't fit. I don't fit. But yeah, this one's fire. This one's actually lowered compared to that one. Has wheels, but they both have exhaust and tune, and they're stupid fast, bro. Look how much lifted that one is compared to this one. Sheesh, bro, that's just fire. And then they got a satin black GT3 RS. This thing is beautiful. The Porsches have been growing on me, guys. Porsches. I see so many comments about that too. I love when everyone criticizes me when I don't know about cars or if I say something wrong. It's so funny, bro. Ah, damn, that wing is perfect. Some people might say it's too much, but I think it's perfect on this car. And satin black, it's like the best color he could have chose for this car. Damn. Must be nice. The lineup though is freaking sick. Porsche, Ferraris, Urus, and then of course Marlin's G80. This is the owner of DME Tuning, guys. He has this G80. You guys saw me drive it once in a vlog. Shit's so fun and super fast. All right, guys. Well, just kicking it here at 412 for a bit. Now we're gonna go meet up with Kevin, take some pictures of the F80. I've been trying to get more content for you guys on Instagram because I started slacking a little bit. I think I stopped posting on Instagram for like a few months. My engagement dropped. Everything kind of just dropped. Back in the day when I had my Tiffany Bluey 92, I made it a point to post every single day at 12 p.m. a new picture or a new post, something new on Instagram. And I think that's how my Instagram first started blowing up. So if anyone's trying to get big on Instagram, that's what I recommend, is post every single day. And I think 12 o'clock's like the perfect time to post, at noon. Like that's when everyone's at lunch and stuff like that. I don't know. I've done a lot of research throughout the years on social media. You definitely got to be consistent and you got to post every single day almost. That goes for TikTok, YouTube, anything, honestly. But anyways, I've been trying to shoot a lot of content of the F80 and the GTR for Instagram. And if you guys have noticed, I've been posting almost every single day on it. So go follow me on Instagram if you're not already. FindingNick. So let's go meet up with Kevin real quick and take some pictures of the F80. It is hot outside today, by the way. That's also why I didn't really do much. We just kicked it here at 412 because it's way too hot to do anything, guys. It's too hot outside. And the heat low-key makes you not even want to vlog or do anything. There's no car stuff going on, bro. No one wants to go outside. This car's been so much fun to drive, guys, with the new exhaust. Like, it just sounds insane with this exhaust on. And for those of you that are worried about the crank up, don't worry. We were supposed to do it yesterday, but we ended up rescheduling it till Friday. So this Friday, we are doing the crank up on the F80. just to have that peace of mind that it's not gonna blow up. But that's also why I've been babying it too, because a lot of people I've noticed on the point of view drives is I don't rev it out all the way. Sometimes I do, but I'm not really trying to rape the car right now because I don't have the crank up done, as you guys know. So that's kind of why I've been shifting a little early than I should be. I'm not trying to blow this crank up, guys. We made it with the infamous Life of KG. Like with KG?
Yeah.
You guys don't see the daily? Can I show it? There's no way you're driving that, bro. Why isn't it orange? Don't they make that car in orange?
They do make it in orange.
Why didn't you get it orange? Why didn't you bring your car?
It's dirty.
We could have went to go cruise or do something. Look at my mouth.
What am I supposed to
You
be?
don't see it?
Oh, what happened?
You see it?
Yeah, I do see what happened.
I bit myself.
How?
Or I have AIDS, I don't know. Something like that.
6 feet.
I bit my lip so bad.
How?
I was eating pizza.
How the fuck do you bite your lip eating pizza?
I was hungry, bro.
Or you eating something else?
You want me to eat something else?
Yeah.
Look who pulled up, guys. Aria and all the homies on dirt bikes.
Yeah.
I need to get my dirt bike up and running, guys. I'm probably gonna bring it here and just leave it out here, so I can ride with them. This bike is crazy.
Dirt biker?
Hell yeah, bro.
Just as loud as mine. Look at the wrap, guys. He literally hand painted these little stripes, and then they satin PPF'd it on top. I think it's definitely probably the most unique wrap ever. Like I said, I think he hand painted every little stripe to make it look like it's like sketched on.
4,000?
That shit's sick. Yeah. You got the BBS's on there too. These wheels are so clean, dude. I see this on that Beamer Invasion. By the way, guys, we're all gonna be at Beamer Invasion. Mark's gonna be there. He's over there getting some last minute prep. Pretty sure that thing will be there. And all these guys are gonna be there. It's gonna be a big BMW show on Sunday, guys, at Irwindale Speedway. Don't forget, everyone's gonna be there. My FA's gonna be there, and I'm gonna be in the Valtronic booth. So Sunday is gonna be lit. You guys better come out, say what's up. I'll be there. Come say what's up. Beamer Invasion?
Yeah. Ready, let's go.
Everyone's going, huh? Actually gonna be packed. I wonder whose BMW is louder, guys. The rap definitely breaks people's necks. Oh, is that a cop? I don't know what that was. This rap is pretty crazy though.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died, it don't